Hi there guys, this is Lambsburg.
I won't be a minute.
Grace Banana Snoop is my sister. And today I've got this for Christmas Teletubbies that my dad bought, helped me to find it and lost it a long time. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. Here are the both tapes. Got a cough, sorry. Here's Dipsy Lala's presents. Now, yeah, there's too much color on the print dates. Print date is September 40th, 1999. But sometimes, if you take the case out and put it in, they get all bent. Here's the Pinky Post presents. Yeah, just a little bit of light. September 30th, 1999. And there's the Rare Parents Guide for Warner Brothers Virtual. And yeah. Oops. There you go. She'll sexy means this was kind of like a good interest. Because, well, not good interest, because it's already installed. But install is more exercise. And you know that. And I know that too, because there's more things I do know how. Whether or not I get these kind of things today. But yeah. But yeah. They usually have labels on these, but it's a spare copy one. But yeah, still, this is kind of like a good, interesting one. I found this up in the attic. Yeah, I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Never Hadith. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.